Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're doing another coaster review. And today we're going to be taking a ride on one of the most iconic wooden coasters in the country. And that's GhostRider at Knott's Berry Farm. Now, this ride has a huge reputation in the coaster community. So the big question is, does it really live up to the hype? So let me set the stage a little bit. GhostRider stands at about 118 feet, hits a top speed of around 56 miles per hour, and has 4,500 feet of track. And for a wooden coaster, that's a long ride. So it originally opened in 1998. And after some major retrack work, it's been known for being a lot smoother while still keeping that classic wooden coaster feel. Alright, so picture this. You get seated, the lap bars come down, and you start climbing that lift hill. And right away, you hear that classic click-clack that every wooden roller coaster has. There's just something about a wooden roller coaster lift hill that builds anticipation way more than still coasters do for some reason. I'm not sure, but that's my opinion. It feels old school, and you know you're about to get something intense. You hit the top, and that first drop gives you a solid pull. Not the steepest out there, but it's fast and it sets the tone for the rest of the ride. And honestly, this ride isn't just about one moment. It's about the entire layout. GhostRider is all about relentless pacing. Once it starts, it does not slow down. The biggest thing I noticed riding this is how aggressive it feels, but in a good way. You're constantly getting thrown side to side through those turns, and then mixed in with that, you've got, crazy airtime moments that just hit out of nowhere. Especially in the back row, you really feel that yank over the drops. It's not floaty airtime. It's quick, punchy, and it keeps you on edge the whole ride. And what really stands out is the length. At over 4,500 feet of track, this ride just keeps going. There's no dead stops, no slow mid-course. It's just continuous action all the way through. By the time you hit the final brake run, you actually feel like you got a full experience, not just a quick ride. I know a lot of people ask, is it rough? For a wooden coaster, it's actually pretty smooth. You still get that classic rumble, but it's controlled. It doesn't take away from the ride. It actually adds to the intensity and gives it character. If you're trying to pick a seat, I'll say front row for the view, but back row for the experience. The back row really gives you that stronger pull over the drops, and it makes those airtime moments hit even harder. So, does GhostRider live up to the hype? Honestly, it really does. Truly. It's fantastic. It's fast, it's aggressive, it's got great airtime, and the pacing is just nonstop. This is easily one of the top wooden coasters in the country. So, if you're coming out to Knott's Berry Farm, this is a must ride. No questions asked. But I want to hear from you. Where do you rank GhostRider? Is it one of your favorites, or do you think it's overrated? Let me know in the comments. And as always, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for your coaster content daily. And thanks for watching.